Do you ever open up Microsoft Word and instantly feel overwhelmed by everything you need to do? Whether you're a student, apprentice, teacher, or office worker, there are actually built-in features inside Word that can help reduce distractions, improve focus, and make reading and writing much easier. Let me show you 4 features that could completely change how you use Microsoft Word. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe, and share. So many people think Microsoft Word is just for typing documents, but it actually contains several accessibility and productivity tools that can help reduce that cognitive overload. And that cognitive overload happens when your brain is trying to process too much information at once, making it harder to focus, making it harder to learn, and stay productive. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 4 powerful Word features that can actually help. So think about this problem. Ever stared at a blank page and struggled to get your thoughts down? Well, what I'm going to do is show you the power of dictation. So what you do is open up Microsoft Word. At the top in the ribbon, click on Home, then scroll across to the right side and just underneath where you see the word dictate, in the voice option here, click on the down arrow and choose dictate. What you will see a toolbar appear, and what you simply do is Word is now detecting you speaking and it's typing what you are saying automatically. So what the benefits of this are, it's reducing that pressure of typing, it's helping capture ideas quickly on the page, it's useful for people who struggle with writing, and it's absolutely great for brainstorming. So instead of you spending 10 minutes trying to write the perfect sentence, simply talk and let Word do the typing. And when you've finished with the dictation tool, top right hand corner here where the tools opened up, just click on this button here and it will stop dictation for you. Yep. And if you want to change any of the 6 settings within the dictation tool, click on this settings cog here and you can change these options here. So you can enable auto punctuation, change your microphone, change the spoken language, and filter sensitive phrases. So you can slide this to on or off and click on save or cancel. So that is the dictation tool. Feature number 2 I wanted to show you today is the Read Aloud tool. Have you ever read the same paragraph 3 times and you've still not taken it in? Well, what I'm going to do is show you something which is a fantastic feature in Microsoft Word. At the top here in the ribbon, go to Review, and then when you are in Review, go across to where it says Read Aloud in the speech option here. Okay, before you do that and click on Read Aloud, highlight the text you want Word to read aloud, so it's all of this. Scroll across to Read Aloud here, click on it.
Mental health and anxiety management, tips
Word
and tricks.
Read what you are.
This guide contains practical tips that may help you manage stress and anxiety in everyday life. These suggestions are not a substitute for professional medical advice, but they can support your overall well-being.
And to pause it, click on here. You will notice this toolbar appear. You can play, you can pause, you can forward, go to the next paragraph, you can go to the previous one, and you can change the settings here by clicking this, by changing the speed of the reading, changing the voice here from male and female here. And the benefits of this are it helps improve your concentration because you're having to listen. It supports that proofreading. It's used for dyslexia and that visual fatigue, and it allows the users to listen instead of reading. So think about this. Use the mental health document and let Word read a section aloud. So I've got this mental health document here. Let Word do the talking for you. So feature 3 I wanted to show you today is the focus mode. So think about this problem. You're getting notifications, ribbons, menus, toolbars. Sometimes there's just too much happening on your screen. What I'm going to do is show you the focus mode. So at the top here in the ribbon, click on view, and then what you simply do once you've clicked on focus mode here, you've got this immersive option here and you've got focus. Click on that. And what you can do is you can focus simply on the page. So you're ignoring the ribbon, the options at the top, the notification, the toolbars, everything else. You're just focusing on your page. So you're scrolling from the first page to the second page. And what that does for you, it removes those distractions, creates a cleaner writing environment, helps maintain that concentration, and it's ideal for assignments and reports. Okay, so that's the benefit of the focus mode. And to simply come off focus mode, what you simply do is press escape on your keyboard and you're back to the normal mode again. Feature 4 I wanted to show you is Immersive Reader, and the problem you may be facing, or the problem you may face, is large blocks of text can feel overwhelming and difficult to process. So the way to access Immersive Reader is at the top. Make sure Views highlighted in the ribbon, in the options, scroll to Immersive Reader. So in the Immersive section, you've got Immersive Reader there. Click on that, and then what you can simply do is you can adjust the text spacing here. You can access the Read Aloud option here. You can change the line focus here from none to 1 line to 3 lines to 5 lines. So you can do that. So you really are pinpointing what you need to read and when you need to read what you need to read. You can also change the page color. So from going from pink to changing that to orange, changing that to yellow. And what you are doing is you are customizing the Immersive Reader function to your preference. And what that does, it makes the text easier to read for you, reduces that visual stress, supports you in terms of how you use Word, how you are reading those documents, and it improves your reading comprehension. Okay, so it's really important that you see the benefits of these. Microsoft Word isn't just a word processor. Features like Dictation, Read Aloud, Focus Mode, and Immersive Reader can help reduce cognitive overload, improve productivity, and make learning more accessible. So if you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and share for more Microsoft Office tips and tricks.